Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the bottom oven panel in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. For easier access, we recommend removing the oven door by first rotating both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a blanket or towel. Remove the oven racks. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two rear mounting screws, securing the bottom panel. Lift the old panel up from the back to remove. Prepare the new bottom oven panel for installation by transferring the baffle and diffuser from the old panel to the new one. Now align the front edge of the bottom panel first. Then lower the panel and thread the mounting screws. Replace the oven racks. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.